Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can enable or how you can active the hotspot in your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So if in this device, if you want to active the hotspot or if you want to share the mobile hotspot, you can easily do it just by following the method as I will show you in this video. Before we move to the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.